Hi, Callum.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
You're good? Where are we? Hi, Nini. We're gonna go where? Okay. We're gonna go see the cable cars. There they are. It's the perfect day. Beautiful weather to do this. Finally, huh? Welcome to the vlog. Linnea's vlogging, and we just dropped Callum off at school. Look, Linnea, now it's sunny. We just walked in a huge torrential downpour, didn't we?
It's raining.
Yeah, it was raining, and even though I had an umbrella and everything, my hair is still wet. Yeah.
And my pencils are wet too.
Huh?
I love these. My pencils wet too.
Yeah. Is your hair wet or are you okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Linnea and I just got caught in a torrential downpour, as you can see. Days like this, I don't even know why I bother with doing anything with my hair because it just goes up anyways. Yeah, we just dropped Callum off at school, and while bringing Callum to school, we all just got caught in the rain. It just happened so suddenly. I had one umbrella, so I gave it to Callum, and Linnea was sitting in the stroller, of course, with the cover, so the things you do for your children, right? Linnea and I are killing time in Marks and Spencer. It is pouring outside. I feel a little trapped. There's actually stuff I need to do at home, but it's like as much as you can prepare. When it rains like this, it's coming down sideways. Okay, just a second, Neen. Do you want me to get you a pretzel? Okay, so when it comes down like this, it's coming down like sideways in all different directions, and it's swirling. The worst part isn't even the rain. The worst part is that because they don't, there are tons of leaves right now just filling up sewers, that things are not draining into the sewers properly. So, Linnea, mommy's talking, and then you can talk. First, mommy's talking, okay? Wait your turn. You're not being very polite. So you have tons of big buses and trucks and stuff that come past, and they just like, they drive so quickly and they fly, all that water on the street just flies up into your face and on your clothes, and it's yucky water because it's from the bottom of their tires. So it's, I kind of just hold back always. I always just, when it's raining like this, I just wait, because I guess that's one thing if you're kind of used to it, but I'm still not used to it. So we're just walking around looking, right, Linnea? We're just walking around. Maybe I'll get her a pretzel or something. Yeah, we'll probably do that. Linnea, would you like the pretzel?
Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it from over here.
We're gonna go pay for it right now, okay?
Don't break it.
Don't break it, and don't eat it yet, okay? Don't eat it yet. Hold it. Hold it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how Little star, how wonder what you are.
Very nice. Are you giving Sainsbury's a show? Just got home and I made Linnea's lunch. She's got a basic little wrap and some cucumber slices. What are we doing, kids?
Gingerbread man.
Gingerbread men? Huh?
Buttons now.
Wow.
In the eye.
That's cool. Push it. All right, there you go. That's nice, Nay.
And some more.
That looks great, Naya. Calum, you can put some sprinkles.
Yep.
Got some sprinkles. Got some little buttons.
Sprinkles go.
They're right here. But you have to put some more icing. Otherwise they won't stick. Ooh.
Okay. And the nose. Good job, man. And the face. That's the foot. No, that's the foot, man. Squeeze.
Did you have fun? Yep. Yeah. I think that means you had fun. All right.
Gingerbread cookies.
Yeah, we made gingerbread men.